world of travel and adventure, 2026 has taken the concept of motorhomes to an entirely new dimension. These incredible machines are no longer just vehicles designed for long journeys, they are luxury lifestyles on wheels. Imagine combining the freedom of the open road with the elegance of a private villa, the comfort of a five-star hotel, and the futuristic technology of tomorrow. That is exactly what these top 3 motorhomes of 2026 are all about. The first motorhome is a true futuristic marvel. Its design is sleek, aerodynamic, and way ahead of its time, almost as if it has driven straight out of a science fiction movie. The exterior is finished in a metallic silver shine with LED accents that glow beautifully at night. Wide panoramic glass windows wrap around the sides, giving you breathtaking views no matter where you park. On the rooftop, you'll find high-efficiency solar panels that power many of its systems, making it eco-friendly as well as stylish. Step inside, and the interior feels like stepping into a luxury penthouse. Plush leather seating, smart home technology, voice-controlled lighting and climate systems, and hidden high-definition screens create an environment that is both high-tech and incredibly comfortable. The open layout feels spacious, with a living area that rivals a luxury apartment. Whether you're driving across the highway or parked by a mountain valley, this motorhome gives you an experience that is nothing short of cinematic. The second motorhome is for those who believe that luxury should always be larger than life. Known as the Palace on Wheels, it redefines what it means to travel in style. On the outside, it carries a striking white and gold finish that makes it look like a moving royal residence. The body expands with extended slide-outs, creating massive living spaces inside. But the highlight is at the rear, an infinity pool that turns your road trip into a resort-style vacation. Step inside and the interiors will take your breath away. Marble finish floors, glass walls, and sparkling chandeliers give it the look of a grand palace ballroom. The dining area feels like a royal banquet hall, while the bedroom is designed as a luxury hotel suite with the finest linens and textures. Imagine parking this motorhome by a luxury marina, surrounded by yachts, and you instantly feel as if you're living a blend of a palace and a private yacht. It is for those who don't just want to travel in comfort, but want to make a statement of royalty wherever they go. The third motorhome takes a different but equally impressive approach, focusing on sustainability without compromising on luxury. This is the eco-luxury smart RV of 2026, designed for travelers who want to protect the planet while enjoying the highest level of comfort. The roof is fully covered with advanced solar panels that generate power for the entire vehicle. One side of the motorhome is built with vertical garden walls, bringing nature right into the design and keeping the air fresh. Smart glass windows adjust automatically to control light and temperature, making the experience more energy efficient. Inside, the design is minimalist but futuristic. Every system is automated, from climate control to entertainment, and you can manage everything with a single touch or even by voice command. At night, when parked in the desert under a star-filled sky, the motorhome glows softly with ambient lights, creating a surreal and dreamlike atmosphere. It feels as though you're living in a science fiction film, yet every detail is real and practical. This is a motorhome for the future-conscious traveler who wants both luxury and responsibility in perfect balance. These 3 motorhomes of 2026 show us that the future of travel is about more than just getting from one place to another. It's about creating an experience where technology, design, sustainability, and comfort all come together. Each motorhome tells its own story, whether it's the futuristic design that takes you to tomorrow, the palace on wheels that makes you feel like royalty, or the eco-luxury model that shows luxury can be green too. These are not just vehicles, they are dreams on wheels. And if you are someone who seeks more than the ordinary, who wants to combine the adventure of the open road with the elegance of a world-class lifestyle, then these motorhomes are exactly what you have been waiting for.